Why is this you're always drunk, man? Come on.
Hi.
Get up, baby. We're at a card show. How did you not wake up with these cars here?
It's a wild night.
Come on, baby. We got it. Let's go.
Okay.
Come on.
It's kind of loose.
We got some Ninja Spinner. Let's go.
I'm hungover.
I'm doing great. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Mercado, incredible cars. Are we gonna pull the SAR? SAR with incredible cars.
All right.
Cooked.
Yeah.
Worst places to get cooked, baby. Come on. How'd I get here? There's a lot of cars.